Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the hopper in your pellet grill. We're going to be showing you on a DLX today, but it's applicable to other pellet grills as well. Before we get started, make sure that your pellet grill is unplugged and has had time to cool off. First thing we're going to want to do is remove the 4 screws and the bottom plate of the hopper so that we can disconnect our thermometer. Now we need to disconnect our connector for the thermometer so that when we take the hopper off, this doesn't get caught. With your thermometer unplugged, we're going to now undo the 4 screws here and the 2 that connect the hopper to the body. Before you undo the screws, make sure that you grab a friend or someone to help you remove the hopper. From this step on, you're good to repeat the steps in reverse order in order to install your hopper. Now that your old hopper is out, you can ship that to customer support so that it can be looked at and tested. And with your new hopper, you can reinstall it by following the same steps but in reverse order. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have any additional questions, please visit campchef.com or call our customer support helpline. As always, roll smoke, baby.